y'all? You already know how it go. It is your boy Brandon back with another video, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Today we're talking about something that does not get talked about a lot. A lot of people ask me all the time. Prime example, when I'm fixing a phone, they'll go and bend over the counter and look at me and they'll be like, is it hard? How do you do that? All of those little screws. Oh my gosh, this and oh my gosh, that. And I often tell them, like, listen, you can do this. You can do this. The only difference is I may be able to do it faster than you, and you didn't study this and you didn't learn how to do this. So me doing it is more efficient, but you can do this. This is a simple process. It's just you're paying me so that you don't have the inconvenience of having to learn how to do it, but you can do it. It's the same thing when it comes to flipping phones. A lot of people don't understand that flipping phones is something that you can do in your damn sleep. But it's all about you understanding that you have what it takes and just taking the minute information needed to get it done. Okay? And when it comes to flipping phones, there is one way to flip phones nobody ever talks about. But I've been doing it for a month so far. And one thing I can say about this, I've made more money flipping phones doing this method than I've ever done flipping phones selling to a buyer. And I am finally, after doing it and seeing how beneficial it is, ready to tell you guys about it. Now, everything has its pros and everything has its cons. And my phone flipping course on IamHustlersMindset.com explains it all. Also, you can book a call with me so we can go over this more in depth as well on IamHustlersMindset.com. But without further ado, we're going to talk about this method. And this method is how I'm going to sell this iPhone 13 Pro Max AT&T locked today. I'm going to sell this, and guess what? I'm able to sell this, pay somebody for selling it, and come out profitable. So I'm paying, number one, a rep to sell this. Number two, I'm paying for I include my expense as far as the establishment that I have, my store, and I'm still able to get profit. So the way that you want to do this is, if you buy a phone, prime example, I brought an iPhone 11 yesterday, and I'll keep talking about it because it was a steal. It was passcode locked, no iCloud on it, but it was passcode locked, and it was locked to T-Mobile. So this guy comes in and he's like, hey man, I want to sell this phone, but I don't know the passcode. I'm like, you don't know the passcode? Okay. So automatically I'm thinking, I got leverage. Cool. So I'm like, looking at my price sheet, I know if I was to sell it to my buyer, I would get at least $10, at most $40. So I'm like, that is trash, right? That's a trash amount. So I'm like, this iPhone doesn't have any iCloud on it. I can easily get the passcode off. And if I get the passcode off, then I can sell it as a T-Mobile iPhone 11. This particular iPhone 11 was in okay, fair condition. May need to change the screen, which would cost me $37. But I'm like, $37 investment, plus if I can get him to go down to 10, that would be a $47 investment, but then I can sell it for $200. But if I was to sell it to my buyer, I would only get $40. So what I ended up doing was, I said, okay, I'm gonna buy the phone, I'll give you $10. He's like, $10? Y'all know how I go with this negotiation. The negotiation, every negotiation, I smoothly get away and I get what I want. So let's just say he left with $10 and I kept the iPhone 11. Boom. So I took that phone. It took me about 30 minutes to get the passcode off. I got the passcode off, got the screen, put a new screen on there. This is a new method that nobody talks about. I put it on OfferUp, okay, for $250. When I go on OfferUp in my area, iPhone 11s are being listed for like $350. I don't know why. $350. I put mine up for $250. If you guys know my listing method, again, from my phone flipping course, if you know my listing method, you know why I put it at $250. I don't want $250, and I know it's not worth $250, but I need negotiation room. So what I did, I put it at $250, immediately started getting offers. People offer me $100, $150, dumb stuff. But I stood tall, stood firm. I don't even if you don't offer me something realistic, I don't even open it. I don't even answer. I understand you got to do your own thing by just offering weird prices, whatever. I don't take any of that personal. But what I did do was somebody ended up offering $230. Somebody offered $225, and then one person offered $200. One person offered $190. So it started to get around my price point, which was $200. Mind you, with my phone buyer, I would have only got $40. So what I ended up doing was, I ended up actually taking the phone. I did not need to repair it. I did not need to. So this is not a buy, repair, and flip. This can technically be a method where you're buying phones just like this, brand new. And instead of going ahead and looking for buyers and trying to contact people like me looking for buyers, you can also list them back up on OfferUp. You can list them on anything, but I would say OfferUp because you want to get the money right then and there. I don't recommend shipping phones currently because a lot of people are just trying to finesse due to inflation and people not having jobs. A lot of people trying to finesse. So I would not recommend you to go ahead and ship, because then somebody said they didn't get it and it wasn't in the package, and then you start losing your money. So I just wouldn't. But what I will say is, at the end of the day, the beautiful part about it is I've sold 2 iPhone 13 Pro Maxes unlocked for $750 on OfferUp so far this week. Today is Thursday. I would have got, from my buyer, I would have got around $715. So I made an extra profit by being a little patient and selling it to buyers, not wholesale buyers, but just regular buyers, people that are using this for their accounts, people that are using this for presents and gifts and stuff like that. And now that the holidays are coming up, now you have a better chance of being able to sell this stuff by yourself to get a better income. I'm not saying do this every time, because it is good to be liquid, but at the same time, it's faster and quicker when you do deal with a buyer. It's faster, quicker, more convenient. But flipping and then reselling is also an option. It is also an option. And a lot of people that I see and that I talk to, that I coach, it's a lot of people that don't even think about this because they're so focused on what they see and the information that's out there via YouTube. But we have to hone into the fact that we can also utilize ourselves, utilize our platform, and not depend on a buyer or depend on somebody actually offering us. Because at the end of the day, they're offering me $715, but they're probably getting $850. They probably getting more. So it's like, it's a chain of command. But when you break that and then you start to explore different offers without having to wait for a buyer, you start to actually see a profit. And I've been doing this. So I've been selling phones to buyers, but I sell my low-end phones. I sell on OfferUp and I get way more money, and it's more consistent. So the more I sell, I see that people start to think, oh, this is the connect, which that's my store name. But this is like the person that's going to connect me to the best phone deals. So they start to do word of mouth. They start to actually, give people my information. And now a lot of people want phones from me. So now it's just starting to be a train. And then it's like, okay, I got a buyer and then I got consumers. and it's 2 different buckets, but each bucket is getting filled. So that is a method that I think that a lot of people do not take advantage of, and I want you to start to explore it. If it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you, but I'm sure that if you wait for a little bit, maybe a week, let's that phone up and wait a week, what you want is going to come. What you want is going to come. You just have to make sure that you're using the listing method, and you're making sure that you master the art of negotiation. I'm going to have a course on the art of negotiation coming out very soon as well. So guys, again, it's your guy Brandon, bringing you guys extra content on how to make an extra income. Thank you guys so much for listening. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. I am so thankful for you. If you haven't already and you want to know more about phone flipping, you have questions, you want to connect with me, you want me in your back pocket or in your front pocket, make sure you download my free Telegram phone flipping 101 chat. Okay, it is something that I just created anew. My other phone flipping chat is going to be closed because it is full, and we are going to be opening up another one, and this one will be similar to that one, but we're going to be answering questions, giving price sheets. I want to make sure that I can connect with everyone on an efficient basis. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.